In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit color grade videos on Capcut. Color grading is how you shape the mood of your footage, whether you want something warm and cinematic, cool and modern, or clean and true to life. We'll walk through Capcut's built-in tools so you can get a polished look without overcomplicating the process. First, open Capcut. If you're on desktop or the web version, make sure you're in a project and your timeline is visible. It helps to set your canvas aspect ratio to match your final output, so what you see while grading is what your audience will get. Keep your preview quality set high enough to judge color, but low enough for smooth playback while you work. Next, add your video. Import your clip and place it on the timeline. Let it play once from start to finish to spot lighting changes or scenes that might need different attention. If your clip includes multiple locations, consider making cuts at those transition points, so adjustments can be tailored to each section. It's also helpful to pick a representative frame, usually a well-lit shot with a face or a key subject, as your reference while you begin tweaking. Now click on Adjust. This opens the panel with your core controls: exposure or brightness, contrast, highlights, shadows, saturation, temperature, tint, and often helpful extras like HSL and curves. Think of these as your toolkit. Small, intentional changes usually look more professional than dramatic moves. Scroll down and begin adjusting the colors. Start with exposure or brightness to set overall light, then refine contrast to give depth. Use highlights to pull back bright areas and shadows to lift darker regions without washing them out. Balance the color of the light with temperature for warm to cool and tint for green to magenta. Increase saturation just enough to look lively, and use vibrance if available to protect skin tones. If HSL is present, target specific colors. Tame overly bright greens in foliage, nudge blues for skies, or refine skin tones by gently adjusting reds and oranges. Curves are great for fine control. Add a subtle S-curve for contrast, then adjust individual color channels to correct a color cast. Sharpen only lightly, and use any noise reduction sparingly so you don't smear detail. Play the clip while you tweak to see how your changes hold up across different shots. Most importantly, take your time. Toggle the adjustments on and off to compare before and after, and aim for consistent results across the whole video. Step away for a minute and come back with fresh eyes if you're unsure. View at full screen and at normal playback speed, and check on a second monitor or your phone if you can. Keep skin tones natural, protect detail in highlights and shadows, and stop when it looks good rather than perfect. When you're happy, you're ready to move on with your edit, or save the look as a preset to reuse. That's it. Simple, deliberate adjustments in Capcut can transform your footage. Thanks for watching, and have fun grading.